Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I said this in my previous video, the one before, the one of the lights, where I said I'm going to do the trimmings over on the roof. I already took this one off. It's dirty as balls behind me. My word. So it's on the floor. And yeah, so what is happening with these is the clear coat comes off. The clear coat starts peeling off. It looks really bad. Okay. I'm going to give it a sand and just go over it with some gloss black. I'm going to show you quickly how I took it off. So you want to start at the back here and work your way forward to the front. Some removal tools. So nerve-wracking. You just need to get underneath it. Yeah. You can hear it starting to come up. The rubber goes underneath the window at the end here, so you just want to go further up and get it up so that there's a little bit of flex. We take it out of the window. Yeah, so this tucks in the window like that. So when you put it back in, you want to put it on the front, then tuck it in the window, and then start pressing it down. It's gonna really see that's gonna be a problem. But yeah. It's extremely nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie. Using this one, it's a little bit more easier. Did I break something? I hope not. Oh, I really hope I didn't break something. I don't know how that is. I would advise you don't press against the glass, but it is easier. Once you get the last one out, it's easy. And there you go. One thing you realize is when you take it off, it's like, oh my god, the car is so dirty. Like you wash the car, but you never wash there, so this is gonna suck big time. I'm just gonna have to put this clip back. But yeah, that's pretty much how you take it off. Okay. To put it back is just reversal. You just press it back in. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you take off your roof trims, or I don't even know what you call it. Roof trimmings, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm gonna spray them over. Common fault on these. What you want to do is just maybe give it a nice good sand, nice and smooth, and just gloss black. You sorted. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. See you guys in the next video. Cheers. I'm gonna try and show you maybe when it's done. But for now, yeah. Show you quickly where all the clips are. So as you can see, one down here, about almost halfway up, right on top of the window. There's another one over here. The one plastic clip goes. It's around about here. There's another one over here, another one over here, and these plastic ones with metal in it, and then one at the back. That's all of them. Okay, so I'll put it back on now. Not looking off bad. So yeah, just if it's peeling, take it off in gloss black, guys. Don't still clear coat, that's nonsense. Just take it off in gloss black.